How to fix Instagram not refreshing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not refreshing on Android or iOS phone. First, open settings and then go to battery, and here you will find the power saving mode, and then enable it and make sure Instagram is not one of those applications in ultra power saving mode. If you found it there, just remove it, and then just disable it again and go back, and that's it. Now try again and you will find that your problem is fixed, and if that doesn't fix it now, it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram, and to install it again don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.